Hey everybody, so welcome to my first travel video. This trip is not brings us as far. We're going to the cold mountain of Switzerland. The first point I want to say sorry about my English. Going down by, what's the word of this again? I guess the British one is sledge. Also we had a little sledge crash. We will stay in a really fancy 0-star hotel and just have fun, enjoy the video. Behind me you can see the hotel, it's not that old from the outside, but it's a kind of beautiful building, like kind of a traditional building. Something special to stay in a hotel, in a room, with the old furniture, with the old things what they have. As you can see, here is the bed, here is the shower. And the funny thing, I think, it's a shower in the middle of the room, so there is just a shower. We now in the middle of our snow riding, I don't know how to say, track, so we need a break because it's not easy to control it. You cannot go left and right, but the way says you need to go left and right. Sometimes it's doing whatever they want, and so it's just better to stop hardly. I meet my friend here, and yeah, you can see him. This is a Mr. Snowman. I was asking him some question because he looks like a local, but I think he's a long time here, and he won't talk to me. Maybe he don't understand me because I don't speak Snowish. Let's go on. There is a ride. our little ride. It was a kind of horrible, everything painful, everything wet, but also kind of fun. We just will go back to the hotel, changing clothes, getting dry, warm up a little bit, and then go back up to the mountain. Finally we made it up to Iggy's Horn, the most highest point over here, and yeah, I'm just enjoying now the view. It's awesome, amazing view. We have a glacier behind of me, maybe you can see it down there, the glacier, and also we have one of the most famous mountains from Switzerland, the Matterhorn. It might be, I hope you can see it in this direction.